Gawa tayo guys ng almusal. Whole grain oats, banana, and oats. Smash the banana guys. And then egg. Right. And then egg. Scrambled egg. Ayan na guys. Tapos yan na yung banana. Mix na natin yan guys. Yep. Alright. I-mix lang siya guys. I-mix. Yep. Tapos lagyan natin siya ng almond. Put the almond guys. Haluin nyo muna para umilalim. Yep. Okay na siya guys. So go in here. The oven. For 5 minutes. Alright. Timpla naman tayo ngayon ng barley grass guys. Niligay ko dito sa butter. Put 1 tablespoon and just a little bit small amount of milk. Right. And then the hot water, the boiling water. Right. Yep, that's my barley. For almost 2 years na iniinom ko ang barley. Alright, eto na siya guys. Ayan ang aking binig. Okay. Luto na ang aking almusal. Kakain na tayo guys. At may honey yan pero ayoko ng matamis.